everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Christine. Today I am doing two videos here. They're quick. One of them is my MPOW unboxing and review of it, and right now I'm in my vehicle so I can show it to you. And the other one is we went to Burlington, Ontario. This was done about 2 months ago. So as you can see, I am wearing my thick jacket. So this is the one that goes all the way down to my knees because it is cold out here. It's approximately about 25 degrees, I'd say, in Fahrenheit. So that is about, I would say, -4 in Celsius. Today here it is cloudy and it just slightly snowed. But it is cold out. So I'm going to turn my camera around. I'm going to show you, start with the MPOW. And I hope that you guys like the video. Here is what I got at Amazon. I'm going to put this on, well, in my vehicle, just so it's easier for me to look at my phone while I'm driving, but not having to touch it, but because I've been using my phone for directions instead of the one that I have that comes with my vehicle. So this is MPOW Dream, Explore, Inspire, and it looks like this. I purchased the one for the vent and it fell and it kind of ruined my vehicle there. It left like a little mark. So I'm going to try this one with a suction cup. I'm going to go put it in and see how it looks and how it works and all that. But this is how it looks. I'm just unwrapping it right now. So that, oh, and expands. And I do have the iPhone 11 Pro Max with my shockproof with it. So this is how it looks. It's 2 pieces in there. There's the suction device that you put on the dashboard. I believe I got this for $18 something with a lighting deal. Oh, and here's the third part for it. And see how it's gonna work with it. As you can see, it's also good for hanging your mask. I used to hang it here on the handle, right on the little knob right here, but I find it when I open the door and it's windy and it just, for some reason, it just falls off, and sometimes I even see it outside the vehicle. Anyways, so I'm going to take this off, and this adjusts just like that, and there's a button right here where it expands it. Here is the bottom part, as you can see, where your phone rests, and also these sides are padded. On the very back of this, there is a knob here. Let me loosen it up so we can move this way. There, as you can see, here is the knob. It makes this go up and down, and then you tighten it just like this. So to the left is you tighten it, and to the right is to make it tight. Alright, so I'm going to put my phone there. Let me just find my phone. Okay, here's my phone. This one has the little thing here to put my hand in, since it's a iPhone Max, iPhone Pro Max 11, so I can just put my hand like this. I used to have it right here, right smack in the middle. I had to move it up here just so I can put it easier in here and it doesn't fall off. So I'm going to put it in, see if I can do this with one hand, squeeze it, and there, it's steady. And so I have it just like that, and this is the only room I have in my vehicle, so that's where I have it. And this is the part there. So there are 3 parts of this. This is one. This is the suction, and also there's a sticky film on it so it doesn't come off. As you can see, it's very sturdy. The second part is this handle right here. So from here to this part here is let me take that off, is the second part, and the third part is this. So when you see it in there, make sure you stick it in, because this keeps this thing steady. So when you're in your vehicle and there's bumpy roads, this does not bounce around. So it is steady. Before, I used to have the one that goes on my what do you call this? On the vent here, just like this, it clips in there, but it had fallen off and ruined my vehicle here. So as you can see, you see that little scratch right there, because it's made out of metal, it fell right there. So I'm like, you know what, as more convenient to have it here, I opted for this one just because it is more sturdy, and I find that it's more secure there. So that is my review for the MPOW phone holder. Okay, so if you found that helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't leave yet, because the next one is my Burlington, Ontario vlog.